After covering apartments for rent in Siem Reap and Phnom Penh, the next city many of you asked about is Kampot, Cambodia. So that's exactly what we're looking at today. In this video, I'm going to show you apartments for rent in Kampot, focusing on places priced between $150 and $400 per month to give you a realistic idea of what's currently available. Kampot is popular with expats, retirees and digital nomads thanks to its relaxed pace of life, riverside setting and generally lower cost of living compared to bigger cities. As with the other videos in this series, I've done the searching and the filtering so you don't have to. This is about understanding the current Kampot rental market, not just scrolling endless listings. So if you're considering living in Kampot, or you're comparing different places in Cambodia to see where your budget goes the furthest, let's take a look at what $150 to $400 a month can get you here. Okay, let's jump right in. $150 a month, you can have this apartment. It's one bedroom with AC, one bathroom with hot water, one kitchen, one living room, free Wi-Fi, free water. Of course, any electric you use you have to pay for monthly. Any furnishings or appliances you see in the pictures will be included in the price. Okay, let's jump up in price just a little bit now. We're up to $200. And for your $200, you'll get a house. 2 bedrooms, both with AC, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, a living room, fridge included. And as you can see in the pictures, lots of space outside. You want to put a chair out or a hammock, relax, enjoy the sun. Easy life. $200 a month. Moving up just a tiny bit now to £220 per month. Here you can see there are various units in this building. Each unit is equipped with cooking, utilities, refrigerator, air conditioning, hot water and free Wi-Fi. They have 1 bedroom, 1 living room with 2 bathrooms for each unit. I'm not quite sure why you need 2 bathrooms and only 1 bedroom, but that's fine. Okay. I think the most attractive part of this could possibly be the view from the balcony, Bokor Mountain in the background. Beautiful. Raising the price now a little bit more to $250 per month. This is a house and it has a minimum of a 1-year lease. So this is only if you're looking to stay for at least a year. It has 2 bedrooms, both have air conditioning, both come with bed, mattress, wardrobe, everything you need. 2 bathrooms, 2 hot water showers, there's a kitchen with fridge, cabinet, gas stove, a living room with table and chairs, covered parking, a little garden that's fenced in, and all of this can be yours for just $250 a month. Absolute bargain. Moving up to $300 a month, we now have this 1 bedroom luxury apartment with access to a beautiful pool and garden area. Ideal if you like to relax in the sun. It has 1 bedroom with ensuite bathroom, a living room with sofa and TV, free Wi-Fi, free water supply, access to shared washing machines. Tell me what you think. Do you think this is good value? Certainly seems it to me. Okay, we're going to jump up in price a little bit now. This one, $390 per month. It's 2-bedroom, so that's why it's the extra money. It's first floor apartment, so up one set of stairs. It has a private terrace which provides superb views of the garden and Buckhorn Mountain. It has use of shared facilities. That would be washing machine, garden, gazebo, riverside beach area. Also includes fast Wi-Fi. In the kitchen area you'll see there's a cooker there, a refrigerator, everything you need to get going. $390, I think, for all the extras you get, the garden, the gazebo, the beach area. I think that's well worth the money. Now, just for those people who have asked about high-end options, I've included this beautiful 2-bedroom villa. Both bedrooms are en suite with hot showers. There is a spacious open-plan living room and a good-sized and fully equipped kitchen. 2 patio areas with sun lounges, one being on the rooftop, a swimming pool for your use only. The entire property is fully fenced in and has ample car parking. Available now for a negotiable $1,100 a month on a minimum 1-year lease. If you'd like to see more high-end options, drop me a message down below, let me know. I may include more, I may even make a video just of higher end options, just for people who ask. So that's a look at what's currently being advertised in Kampot and what kind of apartments you can expect in the $150 to the $400 range, plus that little $1,100 a month villa that I hope some of you may have found interesting. As always, these listings are a starting point. If something catches your eye, the next step is to go and view it in person, ask questions and make sure it suits your lifestyle. Whether you're thinking about retiring in Cambodia, moving there as an expat, or simply looking for a more relaxed alternative to Phnom Penh or Siem Reap, Kampot is definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see regular Kampot rental updates, or if there's another Cambodian city or budget range you want me to cover next. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. It really helps the channel grow. And if you'd like to support these videos, there's a Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.